In this tutorial, we are going to discuss how to create events in Drupal. Events are used to record upcoming meetings and other internal items to help with the management of your community of practice. You can create an event in a couple of ways. First, you can start by clicking on the Create Content link found in the top navigation of the site. Then, you simply choose Event as the content type and begin filling in the form on the next page. A second way to create an event is to first go to the community area that you would like to start working in from your list of communities on the right sidebar. Once there, you will see an area on the COP dashboard called Manage Community. The third link is the Create Event link. Click on that link and you will get a form like the one previously mentioned. You may have noticed that there are several different content types on the Create Content page. We will cover each type separately. The areas on the form will be similar for each content type. The areas for events are Title, which is where the title of the event as you want it to appear on the top of the page will go. Upload image to be associated with this event. This is a place to upload an associated image with the post. This image will appear as a thumbnail in the list view of events. Groups. Choose the community that the content is intended for to be put here. Now, if you create the post from a chosen community's dashboard using the link in the Manage Communities area, the group will be pre-selected as that group. The body. This is the content area where you will describe the event. Input format. The default is filtered HTML, which is fine for most posts. You can enable full HTML when you need to insert HTML code that may not be recognized in the filtered format. This may be important if you are embedding YouTube videos, Flickr slideshows, or other multimedia. Revision information. The Create New Revision box should be checked by default. Leave this box checked to record the revision history of your change. File attachments. Another way to attach files that go with the post here. The accepted file types are listed in the attachment box. Start date. This is where you will put in the date of the event. If there is a time for the event, check the box that says Event has time, and then choose the time next to the date below it. If the event has an end date, you can check on the Event has end date box, and the end date field will appear. Comment settings. You choose to allow comments for each event that will appear below the post. This is a great way to have a discussion about the content. Authoring information. This will automatically fill in by default with your username and the current date. Publishing options. The publishing options on the events work a little differently than those on articles because they are internal only and will never be published to the extension.org website. Once you've completed the form, simply click Save and you have created a new event. Events will appear in list form beneath the events headers on the main page, and also for each community page they have been created for. You can also see them in the group calendar for each community by clicking on the group calendar link found under the Manage Community header on the community dashboards.